shiny bright as the sun. E is for egg, good to eat. E is the fifth letter, let's make the E sound. F is for fish, swimming in the pond. F is the sixth letter, sing the song. G is for goat, eating grass. G is the seventh letter, don't go too fast. H is for hat, let's go, let's go. H is the eighth letter, we have a few more. I is for ice cream, tasty and sweet. I is the ninth, ice cream is a treat. J is for jaguar in the woods. J is the 10th letter, you are doing good. K is for kite, flying high. K is the 11th letter, look up in the sky. L is for lion, roaring loud. L is the 12th letter, stand up proud. M is for monkey, climbing a tree. M is the 13th letter, say it with me. N is for nut, laying nearby. N is the 14th letter, my oh my. O is for owl, hiding in the tree. O is the 15th letter, can you sing with me? P is for pig, rolling on the ground. P is the 16th letter, can you make the P sound? Q is for quail, beautiful and bright. Q is the 17th letter, what a sight. R is for rainbow, shining bright. R is the 18th, what a sight. S is for snail, walking by. S is the 19th letter, up in the sky. T is for turtle, moving so slow. T is the 20th letter, here we go. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. U is the 21st letter, oh my oh my. V is for violin, what a beautiful sound. V is the 22nd letter, hanging around. W is for whale, swimming free. W is the 23rd letter, sing with me. X is for sang phone, play the tune. X is the 24th, see you soon. Y is for yak, walking around. Y is the 25th, make the Y sound. Z is for zebra, stripes black and white. Z is the last one, we did it right.
Great, friends! See you next time!